Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will present our storytelling about my review test. The title is A Lovely Banana. Before we started, let me introduce myself. My name is Anissa Swatun Hasanah. I'm from English Education 2021 and my student ID number is 318021400 and 7. And this presentation is to fulfill my final semester exam, the course extensive reading. Let's check it out. A Lovely Banana. The reason why I chose this text is because this text is so interesting for me and informative. This text gives me information about the benefit of banana. And now you can see my poster. I got these pictures from magazine and from my little sister drawing books. What a wonderful fruit the banana is popular all over the world. Bananas as superfood. You can find bananas in every country, in every city, in every village, or in everywhere you go. Especially in Indonesia. Indonesia has a tropical climate, so bananas can thrive. Bananas has 3 colors. These 3 colors tell you how rare it is. First, greens. Greens means go, as in go find another banana. Next is yellow. Yellow means eat me. And next, brown. Brown means eat me but don't bother chewing before you swallow. The only thing that would make a banana more user-friendly is if you could eat the peel. And it's a silent food. You can chew it all you like without driving your neighbors crazy with crunching sounds, like if you eat apples or carrots, for example. And finally, it's easy to cut. You don't need a stick knife. You can slice it with fork or spoon if you like. And if you know, you're never too young or never too old to eat bananas. Babies eat mashed bananas before their teeth growing, and great-great-grandparents eat mashed banana after their teeth fall out. The banana is versatile. You can fry it, bake it, mash it, or eat raw. Or you can slice it and put it on your breakfast cereal. Or you can make a pancake banana for your breakfast. And at last time, you can snack on a raw banana or make a fried crispy banana. You can add banana to your ice cream or make a muffin banana for dessert. You can order a helpful banana smoothie at your local smoothie store. And I want to inform you the benefit of banana. Bananas give us lots of potassium and vitamins A and C, and hardly any sodium. Bananas have high levels of vitamins B, are essential in metabolism. Energy also serve to speed recovery. And bananas have antioxidants, and antioxidants can neutralize free radicals and are responsible for anti-aging. If you wanna still look young, you can consume banana every day. And the most important is the price of banana has not changed much over recent years. Okay, I think that's enough from me. Thanks for watching my video. Thanks for your attention. If you like my video, you can like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel. See you on my next video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.